ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಶ್ಚಯ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಪಾಪ ಬಹಳ ಹೊಸಗೆ ಏನಾರು ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಲಿ ತಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ 5 ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ನಾವು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅವರ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಲಿ. ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇನು ನುಡಿಮುತ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಅವರು ಏನು ಅವ್ರ ಅನುಭವ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಕಳೆದ 45 ದಿನದಿಂದ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಕ್ ನಾವು ಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ.
ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪದ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿಗೂ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಶಿವಲಿಂಗೇಗೌಡ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಡಿ.
ದಾರಿ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ನುಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಉಚಿತ, ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ, ಖಚಿತ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇ ಚರ್ಚೆ.
ಶಾಸಕರಿಗಿರುವಂತ
ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ
ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ
ನಿಮ್ಮಂಗೆ 15 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ
Let's go first to my colleague Imran for more on this. Imran, if you could please give us more details about this uproar in the Karnataka Assembly, as we can see in those visuals. All right, we seem to have in fact lost that line with my colleague Imran. We'll try and reconnect with Imran. Imran, if you can please hear me, if you could please give us some more details about the ruckus in the Karnataka Assembly as we speak.
Well, their BJP is protesting both in the assembly and outside the assembly over the guarantees of the Karnataka Congress government. They say that the guarantees have what promised by the Karnataka government, Congress government here in Karnataka, have not been fulfilled yet, and there has been a delay in certain schemes which they had ambitious 5 Pancharatna schemes which they had announced, including giving 2,000 rupees to household women, free electricity, 10 kg of rice, and also 3,000 rupees for degree holders and 1,500 rupees for diploma holders. The BJP is saying the Congress has not fulfilled the promise, and they are protesting both in the House as well as outside at Freedom Park today, where many of the senior leaders under the leadership of Uproar are planning for a massive protest.
Right, as my colleague Imran was pointing out, in fact, we have the BJP, in fact, protesting there in the Karnataka Assembly, going on to say that the Congress government has not fulfilled its poll schemes. Let's go across to my colleague Thoya for more on this. Thoya, give us more details about what is really transpiring in the Karnataka Assembly. All right, we seem to have lost that line with my colleague Thoya, but of course, ruckus there in the Karnataka Assembly. In fact, the BJP there going on to say that the Congress government has not fulfilled its schemes, and also a BJP and a Congress face-off in the Assembly, as you can see those visuals on your television screens. We have Thoya Jakshu is back with us in the broadcast for more details. Thoya, give us more details about what is really transpiring in the Karnataka Assembly.